Hello, I'm going to present to you our project now called COVID DIY Info. So nowadays, you find a lot of people who want to help in this crisis where equipment is lacking and they want to provide homemade DIY solutions. If I just give a quick tour of Twitter, for example, I see here lots of, for example, solutions for face shields. This is some kind of a ventilator. Here's another look at some solutions to make masks at home. So there's a lot of information and it's hard to know what is trusted and what is not. So we provide this website here where we try to answer your questions related to DIY solutions to the coronavirus crisis. Um, so you come here, I have a question about, and we have these categories for now: hand sanitizer, face mask, face shield, gowns, ventilators, and we want to keep building on it. But if I select, for example, hand sanitizer, it's organized as an FAQ. So we have first some background questions about the topic to explain well, and there's always a trusted source also that's very important for us. We always give a link and we try to find information that is reliable. And then there is information about DIY. Can I make my own? Here, for example, we give 2 recipes with the links, and we also give the sources which we verified. If I look at another topic, for example, face masks. Should I wear a face mask? What type of face mask exists? Always is these background questions so that we know what we're talking about. And then can I build my own? Okay, here we give versions of homemade masks, and then we also discuss the efficiency of it and always some trusted sources. So that's our platform. We want this to keep growing, to be participative. So here, for example, if you do not find an answer to your question, we want you to send us your question by filling out this form with your question, and if it's a good question, we'll try to answer it with a reliable source. And we also want medical professionals to help us to participate in this, because sometimes you don't find reliable information. So if you want to help, you can send us here your name, your function, your field of expertise, and we will send you questions, and then we will put you as a trusted source in there. So that would be very helpful also. So that's our website for now. We want to keep working on it and we hope it'll be helpful. So send us your feedback. Thank you.